Hey kids, we're at another event. This one is an event with like different bands and stuff, local bands. It's like a tribute event, like a memorial event to somebody, a local that passed away.
He's been part of the scene.
Yeah, so it's somebody that a lot of local artists knew. I'm gonna try my best to get some good footage. I think the venue is, again, like a dark venue, so let's see if I can get any footage, basically.
Okay, so I bought these from a swap meet in Vegas 2 years ago. Got the new rocks. They were a gift from a friend. I have the Trip bodysuit on that I bought from the website that shall not be mentioned several years ago. This is from a thrift store. I got the dog boner shirt that I got for a show last night. $5. It was $5. It was a major come up. Which one is this? I bought this from, it was like House of Sin. They're a local brand, I think. I can't remember what their exact handle is, and this is a chain from Home Depot. Stop paying money for your chains. You can get them for $5 at Home Depot. The makeup by me. I am very proud of this.
How would you describe your costume?
I was a goth in high school, and like I used to like date a bunch of girls who did like the full white paint goth makeup and shit. I used to be really into like gothic Lolita, and I realized that I live in Florida now and it's hot as fuck, so I'm just trying to figure out how to get that energy without like dying.
What inspires you, or like what would you like to accumulate that inspires you?
Big inspirations are not Morike, I forget what they call it, the Shironuri Japanese makeup style. Love Shironuri. It's white face paint and it's like the girls that look like little fairies and stuff. I love it. It's so fucking extra. My aunt used to collect Fruits magazine when it was first being published. So I have like the entire Fruits magazine publication when they were still putting that shit out at Borders.
In the 90s?
When they first put it out in America in like the early 2000s, when they were selling it at Borders. I don't touch it. But I used to like steal all of them and read all of them. Just getting really into looking as aggressive and as angry as possible.
Are you an artist? Like, do you sell anything?
Yes. I currently am not selling anything because I'm working on revamping my portfolio so it can sort of suit the market that I actually want to hit. I want to work with a lot more textiles. I make clothes, so I'm trying to find a way to incorporate textile with like physical art that you can like purchase without it getting too into like the mass marketing type shit.
What's your handle or like your...
So right now I don't have any art posted. My personal is Kitty on Instagram. It's QIDDI5, which is my name backwards. It's Sadiq backwards.
It was super great. Okay, so your name?
My name is Amber. So this I got from Goodwill.
You gotta tap into this music.
This dress is from Target. I got the gloves from Spirit, I think.
Cute.
Yeah, and then like big ass tights. And these are from Doll's Kill.
Yeah, I love this so much.
Thank you. Yeah, I fuck with this.
How would you describe your style?
I mean, he took my shit, but all over the place. Kind of just very different. Much inspired from like all the bad bitches on Twitter. All the gay bad bitches.
Prior to like what or who inspires you?
What's that one brand, Unif?
Unif is sick, but like, I don't know. Valentina Voigt, she's a designer. She's really sick. I love her pieces. Her kind of like angelic, cute girl look. That's been inspiring me lately.
Like small designers you could shout out that you follow?
Yes, Valentina Voigt.
Oh, okay, that is
Yes,
also, okay.
she's like from Miami. Her shit is amazing. Please buy her shit. Oh, hair, yeah. Thanks. It's like patchy in the back. I don't know.
It's so patchy.
Thank you. The dye is very light, so it's just like it didn't take in all places, but I appreciate it. It's Strawberryta, like the drink or the Remo Drive song, and then Sun, S-U-N.
Cute.
Yeah.
Well, it was great interviewing you. So what's your name?
Colin Shea.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Goth band that came by. They're from either North Carolina or Seattle. I don't want to like do them dirty. I got these pants on Depop. The shoes are Ed Hardy.
Is that like handmade?
I'm gonna say yes, but I don't know. I got them on Depop for like cheap, so I'm hoping it was handmade and it was a deal, but I don't actually know. It's a rosary. Shout out Hannah. She like thrifted it for me. I did not find this. I wish I did. I do not get this lucky. I don't know how she found a rosary.
How would you describe it?
All over the place.
Okay.
Because it'll change every single day. Like country folks, sort of like hunters. I love like a country look. Destroy Lonely. I feel like Amber right here, she inspires the fuck out of me.
He stole my entire personality.
I met her and just took all her swag, like dead ass.
Instagram or
Yes.
social media, what's your handle? You can say it to like.
Colin, C-O-L-I-N 444 Shea, S-H-E-A. Tap in for everything that has to do with money and being creative.
Thank you
That's
so
a good little
much.
slogan. Alright, appreciate you.
What's your name?
My name's Haley. I'm wearing this shirt I got at the Y2K shop, wearing Trip NYC, and then Tim's old ass dirty shoes that I wear. And a beanie that I stole from my friend. I don't know where it's from. I dress like a bum, but I try to be comfortable and like still look good and make myself feel good. I want to wear more colors. I either wear all black, but then I like to wear like kawaii. I'm like inspired by kawaii and like Japanese fashion, I guess you could say. Like those old like magazines. Yeah, those, yeah. I guess that's what you could say. Sorry.
My name is Guana. Hi. This top is I am Gia. This skirt, plaid, Amazon. Boots, fur boots, natural colored, also Amazon. This bag thrifted. Oh yeah, okay. This belt thrifted. And that's all.
How would you describe your style?
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
Every day I just go by like my emotion, and it's like just portray what I'm truly feeling inside all the time.
What inspires you in fashion?
What inspires me? I think nature, like energy, like moods, you know, like do I want to feel like I'm a fairy in a forest, or do I want to feel like I'm, you know, like a serial killer or something, you know, like really moods, like I guess people, like characters almost. And I'm a writer, so you can follow my Instagram, From Another World, FRM, another RWRLD. So just missing the vowels on the first and last name.
My name is Q or Kaimir. Right now I'm wearing a thrifted hoodie that's some Arabic lettering on it. I'm wearing a bondage harness that the homie Dom, shouts out Domothy, they hooked it up. I got some real tree camo on this pants, you feel me? Some vintage Vans. I was wearing this hat earlier, you feel me? The hat, I had ironed on the patch, you feel me? Yeah, that's my fit today. It's not a who, I would say like, maybe like nature, life in general. It kind of goes with what I'm feeling. I throw that on. Like right now, I was kind of trying to be chill, incognito, so I threw on the camo because I'm like hiding. You know what I'm trying to say? And then like the hoodie, I felt like it all kind of, that's how it made sense in my head. I'm anti-trend. You're supposed to dress off feelings, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really pay attention to what's going on as far as like what people are doing. I try to dress like with what I feel, you know. I don't look towards brands or like a certain moment in time to like dictate how I'll dress, you know. It's just like feelings, that's it, and nature. Yes, I am an artist. Yeah, I make bunny ear beanies, paintings, clothes, whatever. I'm just an artist of all, you know. I do everything. I actually deactivated Instagram, so you can't find me right now. You know what, matter of fact, my Instagram where I sell is someone called SOMEKALLED on Instagram.
My name's Taylor. So my sunglasses are Dolce & Gabbana. I got them on Grail for like $80. My shirt I made out of an old H&M shirt. Very basic, but you know. My pants are Trip NYC. And my shoes are Demonias. And that's it. Oh, my bag was thrifted. And this is from Amazon. And this is from Amazon.
How would you describe your style?
I have, it always changes. I feel like I just went through so many phases and all of them stuck with me, so.
Influences your style, like what inspires you?
Honestly, everybody I see. One thing I really love is like old 90s fashion. Like I think the silhouettes are all like so beautiful, and just like I love watching old 90s runways. Honestly, everything. I like some trends. Some trends I see are really cool.
Interested in getting any pieces that you're interested in getting?
I want a lot of shit, and a lot of it I could pull up my wish list right now, but it would take so long. Okay, it's Little Church Girl.
Okay. So, yeah, there's no like special way of like spelling that.
No, just Little Church Girl. You know.
And Lovey.
My name is Chelsea, and I'm wearing, actually I got this on Depop. This is from Forever 21. Demonias?
Yep.
Right? right? And that's literally it. This necklace is like from Doll's Kill.
Okay. What inspires you in fashion?
Mostly like early 2000s era, like Avril Lavigne and stuff. And like even Paris Hilton, honestly. Like
Fire!
right? Like honestly, like that's like the goal.
What's your Instagram handle? Where can people find
It's CHELXZ.
Salem.
Okay.
I'm wearing Demonia shoes, trim pants, and her jacket.
And what inspires you in fashion? What, who?
Prince. But if I'm wearing something like this, me when I was 11.
Okay.
I'm in every band in South Florida.
Literally. Even us sometimes. He's even with us.
Okay. What is your Instagram handle?
Salem Vex.
Your name?
Anastasia. Hans.
Alright.
I'm wearing a dress. I really don't know where I got it from.
It's really, really cool.
Thank you. I don't know. And then these are Demonias. A ponytail. Target rubber bands. This is my mom's. I think she got it at Target in like early 2000s.
Okay.
Little fanny pack moment that I'm not wearing as a fanny pack.
So what inspires you in your like fashion choices?
Gothic, Victorian, 70s, anything 70s. Carrie Bradshaw.
I love Carrie Bradshaw.
Live for Carrie Bradshaw, so that's it.
You're an artist.
I am an artist, yes.
What's the handle?
We Are the Haunt.
Okay.
And I am actually the Haunt, but it's called We Are the Haunt.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
No weird spelling?
Just We Are the Haunt.
Gotcha. Okay. Nice.
Is that it?
Yes. Your name?
Maximilian. I think like most of my outfit is Killstar, and then the boots are Doc Martens.
Okay.
Yeah.
What inspires you in your fashion choices, or just inspires you?
Just trying to be goth or alternative, but also trying to be different from everyone else that's being goth or alternative. That's my main thing.
And are you an artist?
I am in the Haunt. Yeah. I'm also a producer.
Okay.
Yeah. Maximilian Haunt on Instagram.
No weird spelling?
MAXAMILLIONHAUNT.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. It was super nice to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.